Alright, so in this video we'll be working on a problem from page 18 in the packet, starting with number 5. We'll do 5, 6, and 7. And then we'll leave page 18, number 8, and then page 19, number 11 and 12 for you to do on your own. So the value of a house increases by 500 each year. Current value is 180,000. Find a value to represent the house, or equation to represent the value of the house. So first year goes up by 500. Next year up by 500. The year after that by 500. Whenever you increase by a constant amount, you're working with linear. So y equals mx plus b. M is the amount you're changing by. If it's increasing, it's a positive. If it's decreasing, it's negative. B is the value you start with. So we are increasing by 500, so our m is a positive 500 in this case. And our b is what we started with, so the 180,000. Whenever you write an equation, tell what x and y represent. They didn't give us a calendar year here, so we just have years for x, and y is our value of the house. So we want to know when's it going to be worth $195,000. Well, that's a value, so we put it in for y. And now we'll just work to solve for x. So we'll start by subtracting the 180,000 from both sides. So that will give us 15,000 equals 500x. We'll divide the 500 from both sides. And that will give us 30 for x. And we didn't have a calendar year, so we just say 30 years. Going to number 6, the cost of a cell phone plan increases $10 each year. In 2008, the plan cost $40. Find a function to represent the cost of the plan. So first year goes up by $10, next year up by $10, next year up by $10. So that's linear. So we got y equals mx plus b again. We're increasing, so our m is positive. So we'll have y equals 10x. And we have plus 40 on the end for the b, the starting amount. This time we are given a calendar year, so x would be our years since 2008. And y is our cost of the plan. So what is the cost of the plan in 2015? Well, x is years since 2008, so that's 7 years after 2015. So we're just going to put 7 in for x. And when we put that in, we'll get back 110, and our units is just dollars. All right, number 7 in the packet is the last one we'll look at for this video. The value of the boat goes down 200 each year. It's currently valued at $9,000. Write an equation to represent the boat. So it goes down 200 the first year, 200 again the second year, 200 the third year. So because it's going down by the same amount each time, that tells us we're working with linear. The difference from the two previous problems is when it decreases, your m goes in as a negative. So we have y equals minus 200x plus our starting value of 9,000. We don't have a calendar year this year, so x is just years, and y is our value of the boat. And we have what is the value of the boat after 8 years. So years was our x. And when we sub that in, we'll get 7,400. And our units is just your dollars. Okay, so you're going to do number 8 on this page 18, and then on page 19 also do 11 and 12.